Hi, in this video we're going to understand very important topic, that is synchronization point. Synchronization point means that you are giving extra time for a particular step to get executed. Guys, by default UFT gives us 20 seconds for each and every step. What if any step is taking more than 20 seconds? So UFT not gonna wait for that particular step and will move to next step if 20 seconds will get over. So how to give extra time to that particular step is called adding synchronization point or wait event. So now let's understand how to execute it. For that, first of all, let's create a new test case. I'm naming it as synchronization, keeping it as same name, clicking on create. Now we'll click on this record option, click on OK. Gonna choose fly from option, fly to. I'm gonna keep the same date. You can choose class from economy, business or first. Number of tickets we can choose from here. Click on find flights. You can choose flight according to your criteria. And then we'll click on select flight. Here it's gonna ask for the passenger name. You can pass passenger name over here. So let's say any name I'm adding over here. Then you can click on order. So now we're gonna check this particular text over here. So I'm gonna add synchronization point on it. So I'm gonna add time duration to wait for this particular event. So for that, guys, remember, in order to insert synchronization point, you must be in recording mode. So you cannot stop recording and then go to UFT and insert it. And then now you can switch to UFT. Go to design option over here. You will see synchronization point. We'll click on that. Hand icon will appear. So you will click on that particular step where you want to insert synchronization point. I want to insert synchronization point over here. So I'll click on this. Here, this window will appear where object identification will be there. That web object, this is the object text. So we are verifying that and we'll click on OK. Now this is very important. This is property name. That means on which property you want to implement synchronization point. In this example, I want to implement synchronization point on the visibility of the text. Whether this is visible, how long UFT will wait for the visibility to appear. I'm going to implement synchronization point on the visibility of this text. So I'll say visible. So for visible, you can choose two options, either true or false. So in this example, we want to check whether it is visible or not. So we want to check whether it is true or not. And now this is the time which UFT gives us by default, that is 10 seconds. This is 10,000 milliseconds, which come to 10 seconds. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 5 seconds. So what I want to do, I want UFT to wait for 5 seconds to check whether this particular object is visible or not. I'm going to click on OK. Then we will click on new search here. That's it. We're going to stop recording. So I'm just removing few stuff from here because I moved from UFT to my application, so this is not required. If you think any of the step which is a garbage value, you can remove it from there. Now first we're gonna check if this visibility wait event is not there. I'm gonna make it comment. Let's say this line is not there and I want to execute it. So let's see. I'm gonna click on run. Look at that. So that particular text was not shown because I commented that line. UFT is very quick in execution. So now what we're going to do in this case, I'm going to just uncomment it and now see how it works. So again, the execution started. Look at this. Now it is waiting for 5 seconds for this particular text. It got loaded. It is still waiting, and now you will see one warning message over here. Warning step is order 125 completed wait property. Why this warning is appearing? Because when we inserted synchronization point, text was different. Obviously, when we entered the next order, order number will change. It's just for that purpose. So order number is not matching with exact order on which you have implemented the synchronization point. That's why you are getting the warning. Meaning of synchronization point is that you are adding wait property. You want UFT to wait for that particular time on a particular step. If we see it in editor view, you see here wait property on what? Visible true 5000. Now order 125 completed. That was the text. When we executed, it was order 126, which was not matching with 125. So guys, this is how we implement synchronization point. You have to just go to the step on which you want to implement or add extra time. Just click on it and your synchronization point or wait property will be added. That's all for this video. In next video, we're going to understand various type of checkpoints. Thank you for now.